Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Alex Liong. The topic of my artwork is the return to untainted nature. My artwork uses a lot of cool tone colors, such as dark blue, purple, light blue, green, white. And the material which I use are colored clay and soft pastel. And this is the tool set for my clay art. From this artwork, we can see there are a lot of sea creatures such as shellfish, starfish, and crabs. They are returning to this clean and peaceful seashore. Crabs are crawling out from their holes and marching along the seaside. They are finding new home in sand hills and buckets, which left behind by people. This shadow crab is not one, but there are many behind. If we look closer to this shadow crab, it seems there is one tiny sand castle flag in its claw, proclaiming victory over the land. Thank you.